Today I am super excited because I get to introduce to you all my new channel, Carblessly Delicious, where I share inspiration on healthy, low-carb, and keto-friendly meal prep and nutrition. I have the privilege through Carblessly Delicious to inspire others to thrive in their pursuits of maintaining healthy lifestyle. The power to transform our lives begins in our very own kitchens, feeding our bodies the dietary nutrition that it needs to maintain healthy lifestyles, to live life abundantly, free from diseases and illnesses and all type of health issues. It's gonna take us to transform how we eat and how we feed our bodies. But the good news is that we can do that without compromising or denying ourselves the delicious taste that we love in food. It's all about learning how to prepare the foods and making wiser food choices to substitute the high carbs, the sugars, and the processed flours and pastas while enjoying many of the same dishes that we grew up on. And that's exactly what I'm going to take you all through as we explore healthy, delicious alternatives that will do our bodies good. I look forward to staying connected with you as we become great stewards over these earthly temples together. Videos are uploaded every week of delicious low-carb and keto-friendly recipes, so be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, select all so that you won't miss out on any of my recipes. Here's one to get started that I'm sure you're gonna love. It's one of my favorites, chicken parmesan. I look forward to seeing you around, my dear friends. Peace and blessings.